So right now we're looking for the perfect beach. We've been looking for
3 hours.
3 hours, and we can't find it yet.
They're full of people. What's up with that?
We'll find the perfect beach, but it's probably gonna be full of people. We don't want it to be, but I want
to find
a private cove.
Oh yeah, a grotto.
Yeah,
for us mermaids.
Do you like this feature now?
It's sweaty.
It is sweaty. Oh my god. I didn't mean to get all wet, but I kind of got a little wet. It's all Satine's fault. I blame Satine. What was supposed to happen. How is it? It's pretty good. It feels actually so much better now that the sun's gone. Do you want to go in the water?
Could we do this every day? I love getting wet.
Literally like full of sand. I am all done. There's a storm brewing.
In and out. It's raining really hard.
Alright, it's raining hard now.
How was it?
So beautiful. It's everything I ever dreamed of.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So naked. So it started raining. It was really gross and humid at first. Then the clouds came, it got really nice, and then it started pouring rain.
You're wet. Oh, ma'am. Wet t-shirt contest.
Now we get in and out after a long day at the beach, and that's just the one.